Today, we're going to replace the antenna box on the Force Kraken Trolling Motor if it has been damaged or needs replaced. For this process, we will need a number 1 and a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver and the replacement antenna box. First, remove the 4 screws located under the shaft cap using a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver. Remove the lid of the shaft cap. Then, disconnect the USB cable and data cable from the antenna box. Remove the 4 screws connected to the antenna using the number 1 Phillips head screwdriver. Next, remove the antenna. Align the new antenna to the 4 holes on the top of the shaft cap. Reinsert and tighten the 4 screws using the number 1 Phillips head screwdriver to secure the new antenna. Now, reconnect the USB and the data cable to the antenna box. Then, place the lid back on the shaft cap. Finally, insert and tighten the 4 screws securing the lid of the shaft cap using the number 2 Phillips head screwdriver. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit marinesupport.garmin.com.